a long concrete stroke projecting over the sloping terrain, a suspended tunnel that seems to float above the forest and the sea, framing sweeping views of the D'Entrecasteaux Channel like a work of art you have to see to believe. Vipp Tunnel is a house resting on Bruny Island, Tasmania, reachable by a 20-minute ferry crossing from Hobart. The setting combines wildland with cliffs, the open ocean, and dense Australian bushland. The topography is steep, and Vipp Tunnel balances on it, straddling solid ground and open air, creating the feeling of being literally at the edge of the world. This main volume covers about 160 square meters, stretching 30 meters in length. Wall-to-wall glass windows and recessed steel doors allow unobstructed views of the sea and mountains. White wallabies can be spotted in the surrounding vegetation, reinforcing the sense of isolation and connection with untamed nature. Natural light pours in through expansive floor-to-ceiling windows and chromatic skylights. Light wells with color-changing glass cast hues of yellow, pink, and orange throughout the day as the sun moves, turning the polished concrete into a canvas of shifting light. The circulation is organized linearly. First, the main social space, followed by an internal courtyard separating the living area from the main bedroom and bathroom. Materials contrast the brutalism of concrete with the lightness and texture of glass and steel, while polished finishes reflect the changing light. Heated floors and an air conditioning system ensure comfort even in this off-grid construction. At the tunnel's end, a glass door leads to a framed terrace that floats above the terrain, amplifying the visual experience of the sea, vegetation, and horizon. The entire west facade is clad with solar panels, taking advantage of the site's orientation to generate clean energy. A rainwater collection system complements this self-sufficiency. There is also a separate 3.5 square meter space called the Studio, a concrete cube with 4-meter-high ceilings. It offers a visual retreat for work or meditation, with minimal furnishings, a Vipp swivel chair, an integrated desk, and a double bed concealed in a mezzanine. The atmosphere conveys silence, contemplation, and a sense of scale heightened by the tunnel that draws the eye toward the distant sea and sky, while still offering an intimate refuge. The wild surrounding sea, wind, and shifting light become an integral part of the architectural narrative. Vipp Tunnel is not just a house, but a dialogue between brutalism and nature, minimalism and landscape, contemporary vision and primordial silence. A construction that pushes boundaries, respects its place, and invites reflection. Here, form, function, materiality, and sustainability are not isolated choices, but parts of a coherent whole, a retreat built at the threshold where land and sea meet.